Name something of yours that your dog eats and all you can do is wait for it to come out the other end.
My diamonds?
Good answer. Good answer. Good answer.
Look at this. It's a great answer. Outstanding. Damn. How in the world did you ever think of that? Girl, you so crazy. You ready, Catrice? Okay, just go ahead and read the board.
Okay.
Read the board.
All right.
You looking at it?
I'm looking at it.
Do you see it up there anywhere?
You know what? I have faith.
Yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You right there.
It's up there.
It's up there?
Number 6.
Really?
Really. Watch this.
Oh. No. You watch this.
Okay.
Okay, what's your answer, G?
Diamonds.
Diamonds?
My diamonds,
My
yes.
diamonds. Yeah, go ahead. You shut up. All right, number 1.
Oh.
Catrice, you were so committed. Number 6, right there. Flip it.
Oh, goodness. Oh, my.
All right, here we go, Catrice. Let's go again. Pull yourself together, because you probably got to think of one now.
Yeah.
Name something of yours that your dog eats and all you can do is wait for it to come out the other end.
My license.
That'll be a paper cut of all times, folks. Get that license back out of there. Shut up, you shouldn't have ate it.